No, you guys gotta look at this because this water bottle is holding up my phone. Sorry, the lighting. Let me see if I can fix that. No. It didn't make a difference. Does this come off? Probably not. I don't know. Okay, but look at this water bottle that's holding it up. Like, it got smashed in the perfect place so that it can rest perfectly. Oh, I wanted to, because there's this magazine right here. And interesting. Okay. Animal Act. Thunder from Down Under. Salute. Furry family. This says real bodies, but I read it as real baddies. So let's do a real baddie reading.
my phone. Oh, I can. Yep, my phone went face down in the tub.
Do we need to buy rice too?
Good. I think now the phone is a little bit waterproof. And I was like, oh, it's in the water. So I said, just pick it up.
And you dried it off, or?
I just pick them up. Was in the case, everything, lettuce, and I just said, pick them up and just put them in the towel.
I was gonna say, I edit stuff out a lot when people talk. I don't think it's fair to be like, shh, I'm doing my thing. Because it's like, if we're all connected, then something that you say, why am I gonna discount that in something that's supposed to be so special and for everyone? That's just my thought process.
Are you catching like all the pillows too with the
Not really, but the pillows match my shorts that I got from the thrift store. And I found another hole in this shirt, like I'd be jumping fences or something. Well,
and I think you don't need to fix my dress because I think I wash and go in the dryer and it's fixed.
Oh, good.
I don't know. I could try them. But I think so. It's small. Look like the dress was like this. And now it's like this.
There we go. That's the baddie message of the day. That is the purpose, being in alignment with yourself, with your divine team. The TV doesn't even look on. My favorite thing to do is turn on the TV blank and then make pictures with my head.
Not that bad. I got channels now.
You put it in the washer. And it comes out the perfect size. Too big? Not gonna fit. Perfect size. Your baddiness is the perfect size because not only is it filled with unconditional divine love that encourages a type of stand that aims to teach rather than wound or scold. Strength, creativity, also connecting to the inner creatrix within. Cleansing the insides. I don't know why that's relevant. Sure. Maracas. Sorry. unearthing that fear, that non-conforming, not standing up for yourself is gonna lead you to ruin. Just because you're not in the mass opinion, or because, well, but I never did it like this before, or I don't do it like that, or blah, blah, blah. Sorry, I'm gonna get this thing to stand. Okay. Trusting your path, yourself, your guidance, not anybody else's, allows you to be in this energy that is committed to yourself, but also the world around you. Like if you see an injustice, like there's one worker and she's so nice and she's helping this old lady, but since she's the only one working and this guy's holding his 2 plates for 2 minutes, I need a bag. That's rude. I get it, but that's rude. Be nice to the people who are serving you. Sometimes people in jobs of service are fucking grumpy and bitchy and rude because they're used to receiving that type of treatment. Because even though they're not the owner of the company, they don't run the company, they don't even know the owner of the company. And you're yelling at them for what? You're fucking up her day for what? What you want her to do? Interesting. I'm thinking along the lines too of like Karens. Which I know a few people named Karen, and so maybe I don't want to use that. But like going to the manager, like actually might be better sometimes if you approach them in a way that would be more reasonable. Because like if something's not right, if somebody sees an injustice, why do we encourage them to fucking speak up and say something, but then the moment they do we go, oh well, this is how it's always been, or it's not like that, or are you fucking stupid? Like, I guess so. Sure, to you. But the baddies here, the baddies in this club, they're so loved by God and the divine and the people in their inner circle, within their inner trust mechanisms, that we stick together. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who says what or does what, because as long as we're together, we can stay true to ourselves. We can stay true to ourselves and our missions, and clear the way and remind others of what their goals truly are, what their life is truly about, or reflecting on if this is the life they want or not. Do you want me to stop it? This is the end of the reading. Bye.